In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a shirt on Roblox. Open your Roblox application and on the bottom menu, click on More. Scroll down and click on Create. So when you open the Creator Hub, click on the menu icon at the top left. Click on Creations and click on Avatar Items. And then scroll right again at the menu down and click on Classics. Tap on the drop-down menu on Filters and click on Classic Shirts. So when you're done doing this, you need to upload your shirt. So click on the Upload Asset and upload your shirt. So when you're done uploading your shirt, you can close the Creator Hub right here. And then at the bottom menu at the center, click on Avatar. Scroll right through this menu and click on Clothing. At the menu down, scroll right again and click on Classic Shirts. And the shirt you uploaded is going to be found here. You just need to click on it in order to wear it on your avatar.